So we'll continue putting the videos here, but before that, let me just figure out how to change. For example, when I'm logged in, it should take me, for example, to the home screen. So let me go to the code. This is, I think, under login controller. You know, there is redirect to this resource or route service provider home. When I click on it, it'll take me to this one, route service provider, and there is a constant. I'll just remove this one, and then home will direct me to /home, which is the main thing, which is this page. So I can test it also. I can log in, okay, quickly, just to make sure it's working. So it's working. So now, second thing in this video, I want just to show the grid, and we have done this few times, so this should be very quick. Let me close this one and go to the index page. You know that I have this one, I have the container. I have shown all the information above. Under that one, we can make the grid, and we can loop for each. I have the channel, and then there is a relationship for videos. Get all the videos and take the video. Then what I'm going to do here, I want one row with margin also Y4. Let me move the loop inside this one, and then I'm going to take the grid from the welcome. So I have the welcome grid here. I'll take it the same, copy it. You can, you know, change it as you like, but for simplicity, I'll just copy it, and nothing should be changed here. It should be all working. Yep, so I have the grid here. There's only one thing missing. I don't know if you notice or not. Basically, the time, duration for the videos. And if we go to the database and go to the video, we are, you know, you should have, I think, duration here somewhere, which is, I don't think we store the duration. So we need to store the duration using our, you know, you should do this one earlier, but you know, I missed it. So we'll add duration, and then we'll display it also on the grids.